Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set a budget in Trim. Do you want to stay in control of your spendings? Well, setting up a budget in Trim is a fast first step. Here's how you can do it in under 2 minutes. First, open the Trim app and log into your accounts. And then from the main dashboard, you're just going to tap on the budget tab. If it's your first time, Trim may prompt you to synchronize your spending data to help you to customize your budget. Next, you're gonna see a list of categories like groceries, dining out, transportation, entertainment, and more. Just tap on any categories that you want to budget for, and then enter your monthly spending limits. For example, if you want to keep dining out under $200 per month, just input that number and hit save. Trim will then track all spendings in that category and compare it against your set limit. If you get close to overspending, Trim will send you alerts so you're always aware and in control. You can adjust or delete your budgets at any time. Just tap the category again and make your changes. Trim also offers insights showing you if you're consistently under or over budget month to month. And that's it. You've just taken a powerful step towards smarter money management. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to track daily spending using Trim so you'll always know where your money is going. Hit like, subscribe, and let's keep building your financial strength. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.